Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to adjust pointer DPI and speed on Logitech MX Master 4. Let's begin! So I'm using the Logi Options Plus application here. If you don't know how to get it, you can always watch our install dedicated software tutorial. Anyway, in here all you want to do is simply navigate into your button, sorry, not the button, your mouse, and then go from buttons to point, scroll and press. And you will notice that here we have certain things. For example, we can change the thumb wheel, scroll wheel, the button press sensitivity, and finally the pointer speed, which is right here. We can click it, and now we can change the pointer speed. So as you can see, by default it is 50. This is how it should move, but we can lower it down to 0%. Which makes it move very small, or we can increase it to 100% and make it move very fast. However, this is not everything. We can also go into extend sensor range to 8K DPI, which is probably what you want to do when you're a pro gamer or something like that. And now we can go into even 800, which means that now when we try to move whenever we try to move our mouse even just a little bit, it's jumping all the way around. And of course we can also lower it down to 200, which results in this very slow changing. And what's really cool, let's set it back to 200 because I believe this is the default one. I believe that we can also set certain things. So for example, if you go to buttons and our horizontal scroll, I believe that we should be able to also change the, not switch between buttons. I can't really show you now, but I believe maybe it is somewhere in the actions ring. But I believe that you have the ability to change your mouse scroll. So we can, maybe the right here. And as you can see, in this way we should be able to change the mouse scroll using this, but with that we only have the ability to actually activate the mouse scroll, not really lower it down, but we also could if you want to. Anyway, that's something more advanced, but yeah. In order to just simply change your DPI, you can always do that here. Remember that you have the ability to have the extended sensor range, but that's about it. And yeah, if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.